Hey, yo, it's your boy Juggalo Jigsaw Gamers. Y'all, today we got another battle, y'all. Man, this could be crazy as hell, man. Between Black Canister, whatever the hell her name is, which is one blonde, the fake blonde hair, against Sindel from Mortal Kombat. You guys never heard this lady over there? Well, you see it get there when I done talking right there. So, anyways, man, yeah, the lady over there. She's white. Yeah, she's white with a fake blonde hair. She has a real black hair. Blonde hair scream like that. She screamed like 300 tons, like more than Sindel. But I was like, what the hell? I didn't know she could scream way more than Sindel. What the fuck, man? So, anyways, without further ado, let's hit the footage. Down to the battle.
Talk about Scooby-Doo meets Fight Club. You're not from this far, Sir Thriller. Behold your queen. I shall strip the flesh from your bones. Are you hurt, child? Let me sing you a lullaby. No kidding. I almost fell asleep. So are ring outs a thing here? Insufferable creature, we fight to the death! Such a pretty bird with such an ugly song. Tell me, can you fly? Fatality.
Yo, that was amazing. Amazing as hell, man. What did I tell you? Motherfuckers all screaming as hell. Screaming up. And which one is better? It's other side. But I thought Sindel is about to win, but nope. The other chick beats her, rips all the flesh out of the head off, and do a fatality. So the winner is Black. Is it Black Canister? What the hell her name is? Anyway, so post a comment down below. Let me guys know, and share and subscribe to my channel. So follow me on Instagram. It's called Juggalo Jigsaw Killers Gamers. I post everything on stories, all this stuff. But I haven't posted a real posting and stuff. So, or follow me on Facebook, which is called Jeremy Lane. That's my real name right there. So till the next time, see you guys sooner. Juggalo Jigsaw Gamers out of here. Woo woo.